Okay, we got 1 cup of flour, 1 stick of butter, and a 1/2 cup of pecans. We're gonna mix this together, okay? And then add a tablespoon of sugar.
Mix that into it.
Okay, get that mixed in there. And then we're gonna pour it into our 9 by 13. Okay, then you're gonna take it, it's just gonna be a thin crust.
Okay.
So we're just kinda
Just gotta flatten it over the
flatten
bottom.
it out so we can bake it for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay. And all it's gonna do is kind of do it a golden brown. 10 minutes.
All right.
Okay, we've got an 8-ounce softened cream cheese. We're gonna add in a cup of powdered sugar. Then we're gonna take our hand mixer, combine these first. Okay, now you're gonna take and add whipped cream to your mixture here. This is what goes on top of your crust. Your crust is cooking in the oven right now.
I love whipped topping.
Mixture. Okay, we're all done with our cream cheese and powdered sugar mixture and Cool Whip. Set it aside, and we're gonna do our pudding. We have got Dove peanut butter chocolate we're gonna try today. And all you do is take your pudding with 3 cups of cold milk. Who doesn't like Dove chocolate?
I definitely like it.
It will be delicious. Okay, here's 2 cups of cold milk. Let me get 1 more.
So 3 cups in total.
And then we're gonna take a whisk and make our pudding. Okay.
Nice. Looking like a nice crust.
Yeah, it's just a crust, browned a little bit. Okay. Now you need to let it cool, and then you're gonna add your powdered sugar and cream cheese. Now our crust is cooled. We're gonna put our cream cheese and Cool Whip on here. Now that you get it all spread out, you will take your pudding. And you can do any pudding of your choice. We have some chocolate peanut butter pudding.
For that next layer of goodness.
This is a refrigerated dessert, so it's going to be a cool dessert. Put it in the refrigerator once you get all the layers on it. Serve it nice and cold. Then we've got a chocolate layer. And our final thing is another layer of Cool Whip.
I would love to have this at my Thanksgiving dinner.
Then you're gonna take some pecans, some chopped pecans. We're gonna top some chopped pecans. You can put a few cherries on here if you would like.
I think I'm good without the cherries. This is looking perfect.
And now you're ready to eat.
All right, let's give this a bite. Shooby. Oh, get a little bit of that crust on the bottom too.
Yeah, that crust what makes it
That's
so
what's
good.
gonna do it nice. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Mmm.
So good.
Oh my gosh.